You are watching Beyond the News. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Be safe out there, TikTokers. Unless you see a brawling the man them dash your Baba Skeng, brother, all in front of people. First the dog just walk up on him and give him a head shot, and the dog look like he drop after and get the head shot, and the dog just finish him take clip on him. Oh God, man, the man them not afraid. How Jamaica gone to, man? Red Hills happen, you know? Red Hills happen. Brawling. I feel say people them with screen record that they have something to do with the car. They must know so that the man they are good at for screen record it, because I not see what they so if two man a play a match and somebody a screen record sing this up. So I must know they get set up and say, alright, the boy I go live screen record it, make we go bust out in head brawling. I just say I just see so that the operation they run it dog just a go live and a man say, alright, screen record him, we I go feed boy but right now. And I eat that.
I spend shall I play music. I am father blink, but I want shell man. You know, you better put it up much time, man. Bless by the body though. Yo, my side, on a snipe off this stuff for me there, please. Me I beg you not snipe. Beg you not snipe them my side, please.
Empress, leave on the last piece.
Why were you screen recording Baba
I want to
Skeng?
know one thing. The person who screen record that Baba Skeng murder, why did you do it? Baba Skeng and the next youth, and I like say them are two famous or popular TikToker. Why are they on them page a screen record? That no make no sense. And no official match, no big gift no send. And like say the youth always not mix up and like that on live like. So why you do your screen record that day there? What's about that day there? Why were you screen recording it? What's about that match there where them there play? Why you there screen record it? Nah man. Something suspicious about you. Something suspicious about you. And now the first place me go see it up on Instagram. And not for fool for people, me see it on Instagram first before me see it on TikTok. So we need to investigate and find out who screen recorded and put it out. Because 9 out of 10, they were a part of the program we run. Because they want to catch everything on live to send a message. That was a message. But young man would commit that crime there. I tell you this, they scare Jamaicans. And Jamaicans are like fear. Because I'm afraid of you. Me terrified of your blood clot. You're too cool, calm and collective. Like, nah. You just walk off. You not see if nothing in the clip to defend yourself if nobody challenge you. Because you know say nobody not going to challenge you. You got to go. You have to go expeditiously. So to the JCF, we got to turn the next week. We not going to see nothing. We not going to see nothing. Him need to get mashed up. Real fast.
What the girl them used to love for my man, educated man. No badness them run down. We are changing order. Let go the badness thing here me now. The girl them fill up for my man, educated man, never gun man. Them used to want the real hard worker. Money in a hand, yeah, the plan proper. Now a bad man, them a run down. But me tell them to stop run around. If I'm a man, I get you crown. Me say for turn the thing round.
Over them dead man. And boy, and I watch out. No, watch it. Watch it. Pro boxer jive by itself, brother. Look. Pro boxer jive by itself. Look. Pussy. I don't make no money, man. My friend them rich. No boy try this, my friend too. More than 1,000 rifle fire for him. Now.
Go on.
Awa.
You know see what go on with Baba J, with Baba Skeng.
Bumbo clock. Me see last night when me I got me bed. But me never know who.
Okay, sad.
I just want a little piece of sit me see with two pictures. Me I say me I put 2 and 2 together. Me see when the dog like
Why
what.
you see the whole altercation?
You see what fit up?
Bro, me say brawl in the dark in there.
Jano, you fuck up.
I think we need to have I need all of us as Jamaicans to have a prayer meeting for this place. Me
So
think,
what are they? Where you come from?
I think Red Hills Road.
Oh.
Yeah, I think the Jamaicans need to have a prayer service, man, and just invite back God in a thing. You know them little way there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, open them hearts to the Almighty, you know? Like, bro, let me tell you something. You see, when God in a thing, it can't nice. You understand me? You see, for once a Satan in a thing, it a go cause all kind of turmoil and destruction. You understand me? We have to invite the Lord back into this. You understand me? I said, you have to, the most of them have to consecrate them soul. Pray and ask God for the deliverance for this year up here. You understand me? The people who take this serious over here, I think them need to have a worship. You understand me? A worship. I want to say worship. Me no mean none of the fake shit them what them do for gifts and them thing. You understand me? Like a real intervention. Like to say, all right, let's invite the Lord back into the vlogging. Let's invite the Lord back into our lives. Let's invite the Lord back into a clean mind space. You know what I'm looking weird there? We have to do that, bro. Because if you don't realize, true God not in anything, it thing really a fuck up. You understand what I deal with me, G? Because, bro, you see, anyway, Father God there, so much turmoil no go on with them, boy. You understand what I mean?
I no joke.
Yeah, man. You see, for once God involved, everything smooth, everything nice. Me, I tell you that. At first, and me know that, me see that, me know for myself. So for once you invite God and say, all right, God.
Your face, no? Fuck your mother. Force the one. So tell me now, what am I going to hurt the youth? I can do it. We don't want that. We don't want the reason that the people they want. Valid reason. Tell the people them why. Tell the people them son a bad mind the youth. Bad mind for the man they have nothing. The man they have tell the people them so if the youth not have nothing, I'm going to analyze him. You mean a badness. Stop talking, we don't go idiot. Me say, tell the people them why you analyze the youth and I tell the youth pinpoint in a bad. I want to hear. Tell the
You hear him say? Ask my dog, Pillman that, and listen again.
mind the youth.
Cause you notice, if you don't notice, me not stop ask him why. Tell the people me not stop. I hear what him say? Ask the dog, Pillman say man give up the shoot already. Just to show you so them, it matter who them man.
The man they have nothing. The man they tell the people them so if the youth not have nothing, I'm going to analyze him. You mean a badness. Stop talking, we don't know about idiot. Me say, tell the people them why you analyze the youth and I tell the youth pinpoint in a bad.
On the year?
I want to hear. Tell the people them. That's what still the people them why you shoot the youth. Man, I got 15 that should be in their brain. You see me say that, me I try to show the car that coward. 15, yeah, I when I coward and shoot the youth and then back turn. So me walk kind of man nobody. Make a man book you from back and see my setting you get now. There's no boy can't book me from back way because one me no loose like couldn't charge you. No pull up a man back way, be a batty with the ride. That one me love much when I love back a man back way to. You want be a batty talk boy no charge you. You see a good batty boy. You have to style it's batty boy. You have to style no. Cause that follow batty boy. I'm fling that face man. Don't worry, police are going to give you a big snipe. A snipe did that play out in brain. Let me say, police are going to give you 30. 15 plus 15. Yeah? Just right, that's your man good. Right, that's your man good. See it in Wagwan. Police are going to give you 15 plus 15 in a year head. That if them can't win a roll loose in a killer. When I say if, police don't work with if. Then police work with They're trying to make me go you. You see, oh, bad man, you say you come from my life, always remember me tell you say this is a police life. Police then at this daily. Right now, them are listen to one and a laugh off.
So we are tell me that for when
But yeah,
dog a play up how you record? See,
You see how him pick up, him realize say some recording a go on or something a go on a take place.
Realize it, man.
Yeah, cause
God, remember say what people never dey on the live, you know. When it start, you know, and instant then jump on, you know, you say R.I.P. John Wayne, you know. And what people never dey on it, them never expect it recorded. That's why I come back and try to change the narrative about badness. And them emphasize when they do certain thing already.
Cause yeah, remember me tell them, you know, remember me tell them before, me say, my lord,
everything recorded.
What I say,
police dey on the live.
I go get record. Police dey on the live. Me tell them these things because it's show them doubt me. Then come see me with look at 10 people, 15 people, but them don't know say I want me I get warm up. When they see me put up the youth picture and me come talk, I want me I get warm up.